Class, welcome to week 3. The topics we have to cover this class are first, brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers, and second, affiliate and drop shipping. So we're really getting down into the different types of business models that that you can develop for your business online. First, let's talk about brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers. This assignment will walk you through how to assess what your business will be, or some possibilities. And these are some common business models to be a manufacturer, broker, or wholesaler. And just briefly, brief description: a manufacturer is going to create a product or service. That's a manufacturer. So you actually create it and then sell it directly to a customer or a broker or a wholesaler. A wholesaler is more common in the traditional business model. A wholesaler would purchase from a manufacturer and then sell to a retailer. Typically, wholesalers sell online will sell directly to customers. So if you're a wholesaler, you'd purchase something from a manufacturer and then sell it to a customer. It could sell in bulk to retail, as was done in the past, but typically that's done to a customer. And then a broker is the one negotiating the transaction between manufacturers and customers, or manufacturers and wholesalers. So that's how you want to think about those three roles in the overall business model. So you will have two parts to this assignment. First section is a Word document similar to this past week, where you'll answer questions about the case. You'll have a case study that's just a continuation of what we've been studying. The second assignment, though, is a really crucial skill set, and one we're going to use throughout the course. It's a quantify and compare spreadsheet. And this video walks you through it, so I highly recommend this video because you're going to want to understand it in detail. It uses Excel. It uses some equations in Excel. And whether or not you're comfortable in Excel, this video walks you through step by step how to do it. There's also a summary here that will essentially walk you through what the video says. And so you've got the matrix here that will give you you list your three options. The example used in this assignment is for different restaurant ideas. So we've got Joe's Barbecue, a garden salad, and American Burger. Each one has a different focus. And then you're going to pick different categories where you're trying to assess these three options. So for restaurants, you'd say taste, promptness, price are probably pretty important to me developing this restaurant. And you give a different number and say Joe's Barbecue is really good at taste, but it's slow, so it gets a 4 for promptness, and but it's also it gets a lower score for price, so it's one of the more expensive, and so on and so forth. You go through and give different scores. The power in this, though, is that you have different weights, and you can say taste isn't as important as price. Price is going to drive the day, so I want 50% of my decision to be based on price. And then that down here, with these equations, you'll develop these totals or weighted totals and ranking. So that's the overall gist. Again, they will go much more in depth on the video, but I wanted to walk you through part of this just to show you the power of this assessment, and then a ranking will help you make a decision and say, oh yeah, the American Burger is the best option. So that is your quantify and compare spreadsheet, and that's going to be the second half of your submission this week. Then you'll have a discussion board based on brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers. Again, you'll need an original submission and then your replies to classmates. The second topic is affiliate and drop shipping. Affiliate and drop shipping are more online specific. So brokers, manufacturers, and wholesalers are more traditional business roles. Affiliate and drop shipping is they've developed with online business, and they are business models that are really advantageous because they require very little investment of time and money, and really kind of take care of themselves. And you're more responsible for the marketing than anything else. I'll explain a little bit about each and the difference. Affiliate marketing is where you would reach out and form an affiliation with a company, and we'll say they make t-shirts, and you will create a website, your very own website, that is separate from that affiliate company, and it will be based around marketing these t-shirts. And you will show those products on your website, but when customers click on those links, it will take them to the affiliate company's website, and they will finish the purchase there. And you will receive a small commission on that sale, whatever you've agreed to in the affiliate agreement. You'll make a certain commission off of it. And so if you have a lot of affiliate products and you can drive traffic to your website, you can end up making a decent amount of sales and then turning a decent profit. Drop shipping is very similar to that, where you would show someone else's product on your website. However, when the customer clicks on it, they're going to stay on your website, and the customer is going to feel like they are purchasing this product from you. And so the customer feels in affiliate, they know they're purchasing the product. They got kicked over to another website and they're purchasing the product from them. In drop shipping, they believe they're purchasing the product from you, and then that order will go over to the manufacturing company who will ship it to the customer. The advantage of affiliate is it's very offhand or hands-off, excuse me, very simple. Drop shipping, you have a little bit more control over the price and a little bit higher profit potential, but you do have a little bit more customer service. So there's a give and take on either of those models. The reading will take you through the case. Again, a continuation of these students and what they're considering. There's a lot of reading material here because you may want to consider one of these models for your business. And then you'll do similar to the last assignment, a Word document and a create and quantify spreadsheet. Create a quantify and compare spreadsheet. To submissions, you will be finished with the drop shipping and affiliate assignment. And besides that, you'll have again the discussion boards, the original post here, and the replies here, and then just your weekly reflection. So that's it. Please reach out if you have any specific questions about these business models or roles of the businesses play across the supply chain. I'd be happy to go into more detail if you have any follow-up questions. Thanks.